part 2. If you listen closely, you can hear the damn thing filling up. I hear water rushing into it. You hear it? It's been raining for all week. I know New Jersey's had it worse than Virginia. Anyway, this thing's filling up, so I guess I better make sure that I fixed it well enough. See where it says not FO? Well, the O is totally broken out. So when the sump kicked on, it basically just shot it straight up in the air onto the floor, which ran back into the sump, which kicked on and shot it back up again. You can hear it filling up. I hope. I haven't tried to film much with an iPhone, so I don't know how good it is. It's interesting, that crack right there. That sucks. See how long it takes to fill up before it kicks on. When I hear it kick on, I'm going to jump back, but I think I fixed it. It sounds like it's getting full. Gonna kick on soon, I bet. There it goes. Yes, the lullaby sound of a pump running and water flowing up a pipe and not coming out of it, just the way God intended. Good night and good luck. Oh, good night and big balls.